Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today's video I want to talk about the top 5 software skills to know in 2018. Having one of these skills will improve your chances of landing that interview. How I'm judging these skills is by number 1, average salary in the US, and 2, number of job openings in the US. But before we begin this video, I do want to mention this is based on my research, and I recommend you do your own research as well. And with that, let's get into the video. Number 1 is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity's average salary is $88K and there's $65K job openings in the US. What is cybersecurity? It's the protection of internet-connected devices. It can be hardware, software, and data from cyber attacks. An example of a cybersecurity attack is in 2017, where WannaCry was all over the news. All these Microsoft computers were hacked, and users were required to pay hackers to decrypt their data that was encrypted from the virus. Nowadays, all our data is living in the internet. Our medical records, our bank accounts. It's important for companies to protect our data. That's why they need people to build algorithms to detect fraud and also to protect your data and their data too. Number 2 is DevOps. DevOps engineers have an average salary of $90K and there's 43K job openings in the US. It's also ranked the second best job in 2018 according to Forbes. What is DevOps? DevOps, according to Atlassian, is a set of practices that automate the processes between software development and IT teams in order to build, test, and deploy software much more efficiently and more reliably. Nowadays, companies not only need people to write the code, they also need people to build and test their code as well. If you look at our phones, the biggest apps like Facebook and Snapchat, they're constantly updating their app weekly. It's important that they hire the right people to improve these processes in order to get the latest and greatest software to the end user's hands. Number 3 is data science. Data scientists have an average salary of $91K and 23K job openings in the US. It's also ranked the best job in America in 2018 according to Forbes. What is data science? Data science is leveraging data to extract knowledge and insights. These insights are then fed back into the company to improve business decisions and also processes. Companies are trying to leverage data in some form or another. It's not just tech companies anymore. The NBA, for example, is hosting hackathons to improve the game rules and business decisions. The winners get a lunch with the NBA commissioner. Companies are looking for people to clean the data so it's organized in the best way possible. They're also looking for people to visualize the data so that business people can understand it. And finally, they need people to build models in order to have accurate predictions. Number 4 is application development. The average salary for a full stack engineer is $88K and there's 35K job openings in the US. Application development refers to client-facing software that people will use. It could be a mobile app, web app, desktop app, or a VR app. Client-facing software is extremely important. Without it, even if you have crazy algorithms that are super important and super helpful, without an intuitive UI that people can use and understand, they're not going to find it very helpful. That's why companies need people to design the UI UX, build the front end, and build the back end to the application. Number 5 is machine learning. The average salary of a machine learning engineer is $109K and there's 20K job openings in the US. Machine learning is the field of giving computers the ability to learn by using statistics. According to TechCrunch, Amazon sold millions of their Amazon Alexa over the Black Friday weekend alone. You can see how big of a market it is. Some of you may be wondering what's the difference between machine learning and data science. Machine learning is about building learning algorithms and putting it into production environments that can be scalable. Data science, however, is about the whole process, from data collection to data cleaning to data wrangling. That's it. That's my top 5 software skills to know in 2018. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.